Good morning from Kodiak, Alaska. It is pouring rain and I just transplanted some lettuce seedlings and I think they need some protection. So I'm going to take these milk cartons and cover my lettuce, but it's not just any milk carton. I'm going to show you how to enhance using milk cartons, whether you're in hot sun or pouring rain or snow, so that your tender plants can survive. So here we go. So this is your typical plastic milk jug, and of course the first thing you need to do is cut off the bottom and also leave the top off so you get good air circulation when it's hot, or when it's cold and misty, and your plants can also receive some moisture when it rains. I'm going to share with you a few tips to make using milk cartons, which I think maybe it's a guilt factor because there's just so much plastic in the world, so it's good to reuse these containers and keep them out of the landfill or recycle them, please. Let's look at a couple things to make using milk cartons even better in the garden. Here's my little seedling, right? There it is down in there. And the second thing is to punch a hole in the top of the handle. And the reason is we're going to insert a piece of wire. This can be a heavy duty wire or part of a coat hanger. And what that does is secure it firmly into the soil. You don't need to be pushing soil around the base. This is quite sturdy and firm. If you get any kind of wind or critters that want to knock over these plastic milk jugs. And the other thing that I found to be really important is securing it like this allows you to actually lift it up and rotate it and then set it down next to your seedling when it's sunny or conditions are right. I have actually done experiments where the temperature, I've measured the temperature inside the milk jug and outside the milk jug. The soil temperature is actually 5 degrees cooler inside the milk jug versus outside. So it's something to keep track of depending on what your conditions are, whether it's hot and sunny or rainy, windy, misty, you've got critters running around your garden. Either way, it's really important to protect tender seedlings until they get a very strong root system and can handle the outdoor conditions. Okay, that's the gardening news from Kodiak, Alaska. Have a great day in your garden, no matter where you hang your hoe. Cheers.